about 2,500 snake species. Only a few hundred are poisonous. They usually try to avoid humans.
Snakes! Snakes! Snakes everywhere! Snakes! Snakes! I thought you said they weren't poisonous.
You're right! They're extra poisonous!
Snakes move in three main different ways. Looping, squeezing, sidewinding. Snakes are very strong creatures. They can be as long as a bus or as short as your thumb.
It's fighting. It's I got it.
Snakes swallow things whole, and their food can be bigger than their head.
No way am I swallowing that thing whole.